So last class, we discussed about, everyone, last class, we discussed about how to, how to download, install Selenium IDE. Today, let's work with Selenium IDE. The first of all, Selenium 4 components are there, such as what to what? Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver, Selenium Grid. Everyone, once again, Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver, Selenium Grid. So we are discussing about IDE. So IDE features also yesterday we discussed. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, which is developed by Shenia Castani. Once again, IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and which is developed by Shenia Castani. Everyone, which is developed by what? Shenia Castani, and developed by Shenia Castani, and it is only smoke testing. Smoke testing means nothing but checking basic functionality. By learning only IDE, you can't test entire the project. You can test only basic functionality, which is called smoke testing. And it is not a new tool. It's a plugin. Yes. Everyone, it is what? Plugin into Firefox, Chrome, and Edge browsers. And it is used to perform recording and playback operations. During recording and playback, during recording and playback, every operation during recording and playback, every operation will be record as HTML format. No need write code. No need write code. And but later we can convert to, this is yesterday we missed the point, convert to other languages. During recording, it will be generated as a HTML format. Everyone, during recording, it will be generated as a what? HTML format. Yes. I hope you understood, guys, up to here. Now, later we can convert to other languages. And yesterday, what are the languages such as, JavaScript, and as well as Python, and as well as C#, and as well as Ruby, like that, converting into other languages. Everyone, converting into other languages. So let me download and install. Let me show that. Download and install. Download and install. open the browser, navigate to Selenium official website, selenium.dev. Here, go to downloads. Are you able to see? Under the downloads, if you scroll down, then you can find out, everyone, if you scroll down, you can find out Selenium IDE. Under that, depending on the browser, we have to, depending on the browser, we have to click on the link. So I'm using the Chrome, so click on that. Then you can find the message as add to Chrome. Just click on add to Chrome, add extension. Add to Chrome, add extension. Then Selenium IDE has been added to Chrome. Got it, my point? Selenium IDE has been added to Chrome. So Selenium IDE has been added to Chrome. I hope you understood, guys. Then in the extensions, you can select that. By double click, IDE will be launched. Already up to this, yesterday also we done. Now let's continue. But yesterday I showed that example test case, how to recording and playback. Whenever launch Selenium IDE, once again show that how to launch Selenium IDE. In the right side of the extension, double click, it will be launched. Selenium IDE shows 4 options. First option, record a new test in a project. Second one, open an existing project. Third one, create a new project. And last one, close Selenium IDE. Once again, whenever launch Selenium, it shows 4 options. Record a new test in new project. You know, already project is there. Yesterday or before yesterday, I create the project. Already project is there. Then if you want to create test case, so we can use option as record a new test. Already project and test cases are there. If you want to open, then we can use open an existing project. Then we can use what? Open an existing project. Third one, create a new project. Everyone, what is third one? Create a new project. Create a new project. How it will be work? First time launching Selenium IDE. If you want to create the project, if you want to create test case, then we can use create a new project. And if you want to close Selenium, then we can use close Selenium IDE. Once again, guys, everyone. So very first one, record a new test in a project. Record a what? New test in a project. Record a new test in a project. So if you want to create, everyone, if you want to create new test case, then we can use first option. And already project is there. If you want to open, then we can use existing project. First time launching Selenium IDE, then we can use create a new project. And if you want to close Selenium IDE, we can use close Selenium IDE. Everyone, first time I'm launching IDE, na? Tell me which option we can use. Tell me which option we can use. Yes, very good. Create a new project. Create a new project because first time launching na. Let's select that. Enter the project name. Same yesterday what I taken, the same we can take. Let me take example of Mercury Travels. Yes, everyone. Let me take example of what? Mercury Travels. So Mercury Travels is my project. Here, let me take first of all few cases. First of all, register, login, holidays, flights, hotels. First of all, enter the project name. What is the project name? Project name as Mercury Travels. Everyone, project name as what? Mercury Travels. Click on OK. Project name as Mercury Travels and click on OK. Yes, project Mercury Travels, click on OK. Then how it will be work? Everyone, then how it will be work? See guys, under the project test cases, are able to see add new test option? Click on that, add new test option, enter test case name. For example, test case number 1, verify register. Verify register. Click on add. Got it, my point? And what is next one? Login. So here again, add new test option. Test case number 2, verify login. Click on add. And add test case number 3. You know, holidays as a one test case, flights as a one test case, hotels as a one test case. So let me write add test case number 3, verify. What is the first one? Holidays, flights, hotels. Verify holidays. Test case number 4, verify flights. Test case number 5, verify hotels. Verify what? Hotels. Click on add. Everyone, verify hotels. Click on add. So once again, all are test cases. All are what? Test cases. So all are test cases, which is we have to record test cases. What is the project name? Mercury Travels. Under how many cases? 5, such as verify register, login, holidays, flights, and as well as hotels. Now let's write one by one. The first of all, verify register. I selected, and in Selenium IDE, right side are able to see guys record option. Right side are able to see guys record option. Just click on start recording. Everyone, just click on what? Start recording. If you click on start recording, enter first of all project name. Everyone, only first test case, only first time we have to enter the project URL. Not every time. I mean, which project we are going to work, we have to enter. So let me click on, everyone, select test case as verify register. Click on start recording. Enter the project URL. Enter the project URL. Click on start recording. Everyone, enter the project URL. Start recording. Then what happened? Whatever the URL you entered, the project will be opened by Selenium IDE. See, project open. And the bottom, everyone, bottom red color message, what is that? Selenium IDE is recording. Under the recording, whatever the operations you perform, everything will be recorded. Now only register operations I will perform. Okay, I'll click on the customer login. Then select the register. I'll enter first name as, for example, different name I'll enter, which is a new name, for example, as QA. Last name as defects. Email ID QA defects, some number, and @ gmail.com. Password I'm writing as Selenium 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Selenium 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And mobile number, I'll enter one full number. Click on register. That's it. Only registration I'm doing. Login I'm not doing. Okay. And I want to stop. How? Open Selenium IDE. The right side button are able to see. This is button, use it to start recording now. Same button, use it to stop recording also. Same button, use it to stop recording. Everyone, this is button, use it to start recording, and the same button, use it to stop recording also. Understand guys up to here? Stop recording. Then if you want to play back, just click on run current test. Then what happened? Same test case will be executed and we can check the result whether test case pass or fail. Whether test case pass or fail. So select run current test. Select run current test. See, open browser, navigate page, select the register. Enter first name, last name. It will enter all. Of course, already registered, so registration may be failure, but my operation is done. Then open Selenium IDE. See guys, under log section, under the log section, you can find out the result, whether my test case pass or fail. Of course, all are green color na, so test case pass. If it is a red color, any line might be fail. Understand my point? So like that, now just I done one test case. Lost one line, why I don't know. So once again I'm executing that. Select, click on the run current test case. Open the browser, navigate page. Enter all details. Observe guys. Everyone, see the last line under the log section. Of course, if it is a fail, I can see as a fail. If it is a pass, we can see the pass message. Understand which one? Let's do it another test cases also. Now I'll go to test menu. Let's record playback one more test case as login. Same I'm doing. Select the login test case. Again, right side, able to see guys start recording. Click on start recording. Select on customer login and select on user login. Customer login and user login. Enter previously created now. What is it? QA defects and password. Click on login. It's showing as welcome QA because my login is done. Then I'll click on the welcome QA and I'll go to my bookings. My bookings, no holidays booking form. Okay. So I should come back. I should come back. So no need to come back. I have to log out under the welcome QA. Are you able to see guys log out? I'll perform that. Now I want to stop recording. See, this everything is recorded because it is under the recording mode. Then stop recording. See guys, verify register. I recorded and I playback. Now verify login. I'll play back now. How to play back? Click on the run current test. I'll enter that. After go to my bookings and log out. It is pass. See, in bottom log section are able to see guys the result. Everyone tell me. I need answer from your side. For this, my test case pass or fail. I need proper response from you. Yes, test case pass. And I told you, after recording and playback, we can converting into other languages because during recording, everything will be recorded as HTML command. I mean, everything will be recorded as HTML format. And if you want to converting into other languages. Yes. So then right click on now these HTML commands. Now I want to converting into other languages. Right click on register. Are able to see guys export option. Right click on test case. Export. Everyone right click and export. See guys languages C#, Java, JavaScript, Python, Ruby. So whatever the languages you want, you can select. Whatever the languages you want, you can select. So I hope you understood guys up to here. For example, I want to converting into the Python. Select, click on export, choose the location. For example, at desktop, I want to save with Python language. In the future, the same test case in the Python language also we can execute. Once again, show that login test case how. Right click on test case. Are able to see guys export option? Click on the export. Now this time I want to select as a C#, nothing but .NET. Select the C#, click on export. Then select that location and enter the name which you want to save. Then click on the save. Understand the point up to here? I hope you understood guys up to here. Yes. And we can rename test case and we can delete test case. How? Right click, are able to see rename. We can go there. We can rename. For example, this is verify not hotels. verify stay. I want to change as a verify stay. Right click, rename. We can change as verify stay. Verify staying something. Click on rename. Yes, we can rename. And if you want to delete, right click and are able to see guys delete option. So test case will be deleted from the list of test cases. Select the delete, click on delete. I hope you understood guys. Everyone. So right click on test case. Delete and as well as rename. What about duplicate? If you want to modify test case, instead of modify original one, we can create duplicate, same name, same steps, one more test case. We can modify that. For example, with same name register, one more I want to create. Then right click on test case, choose duplicate. What happened? With the same name, with the same method steps, one more test case will be created. If you want to edit, select, are able to see guys command target value here. For example, first name QA123. Just example I'm showing like that. If you want to edit, then by creating duplicate test case, everyone, by creating duplicate test case, we can edit. Once again, how to create the duplicate test case? Right click on test case, go to duplicate. Everyone, right click on test case and go to duplicate. So right click, everyone, right click, yes. So right click, and if you want to perform any activities, we can do it, such as rename, duplicate, delete, and export. Rename, same test case name will be changed. Duplicate, with the same name, same methods, one more test case will be created. Delete, it will be deleted. And export, we can export to other languages. We can export to other languages. Understand my point? Everyone, I need reply from you. Understand up to here, recording and playback? I need reply, guys. I'm waiting for your reply. Very good. Now, Selenium IDE has three sections, such as command, target, and as well as value. Once again, Selenium IDE has three sections. Selenium IDE has how many sections? Three sections. 1 minute. Everyone, Selenium IDE has three sections such as command, target, value. What is command? List of Selenium commands will be recorded. Everyone, a list of Selenium commands will be recorded. Once again, guys, list of Selenium commands will be recorded. See, open, set window, click, and type. All are Selenium commands. Target at what location? Username, password. Username, password. All. Yes, username, password, and all nothing but comes into everyone. Username, yes, nothing but comes into, once again, nothing but comes into value. Once again, list of Selenium commands comes into command section. Location will be comes into target, and inputs will be comes into under the value. So let me write here. What is mean by the command? Record list of Selenium commands. Next, target. Record locations. What locations? Where? Email ID location or password location, something. Value. It's record inputs. While performing operation, what is my email ID entered? What is my password enter? The inputs will be comes into under the value. Once again, command, target, value. List of Selenium commands will be comes into under the command. Location will be comes into under the target. Inputs will be comes into under the value. So let us know how many this kind of Selenium commands are there. 500 plus commands are there, but no need all. Mostly we're using 5 commands. Those are called Selenium or Selenese commands. Everyone, those are called what? Selenium or Selenese commands. Once again, during recording, whatever the commands, everyone, during recording, whatever the commands it will be record, those are called Selenium or Selenese commands, such as open, type, click and wait. Everyone, open, type, click and wait, select. Those are the 5 commands. So open command will be record whenever open the browser and navigate page. Whenever open browser and navigate page, then open command will be record. Type. This command will be record whenever insert data into text box. Everyone, whenever insert data into text box, then type command. Third one, click. It is used to click operation on button, checkbox, radio button, etc. Once again, click operation on button, checkbox, radio button, etc. Next, click and wait. It is exclusively for link, because if it is a link, after click, it will be navigate to next page, right? It will be navigate to next page. So click and wait. It is used to click on only buttons. It is used to click on only what? Buttons. Next, select. It is used to select value from list box. It is used to select value from list box. Once again, open the browser, navigate page, insert data into text box, click on button, checkbox, and as well as radio buttons. Use it to click on only buttons. Click on everyone. It is used to button. I mean exclusively for click on not buttons. Click on link, because if it is a link, it will go to next page and it will wait some time. That's what it is used to click on only link. And select command. It is used to select value from list box. Everyone, I'll show you guys some of the examples. Let's open as spicer.com. Let's open as spicer.com. See guys. Everyone, round trip radio button. Tell me which command will be recorded. Round trip radio button. Tell me which command will be recorded. Yes, very good. Click. Click. And I want to enter phone number here. Then which command will be recorded? I want to enter the phone number. Then which command will be recorded? Yes, type command. Type, very good. Next, from the list box, are able to see, I want to select India. Then I want to select India country. Then and last, are able to see guys, airports link. Airports link I want to click. Then which command will be recorded? Yes, click and wait, because it is link now. Exclusively for link. Click and wait. I hope you understood guys up to here. Fine. Thank you guys. Remaining tomorrow we can discuss. Today what we learn? How to recording and playback, how to converting into other languages, rename test case, duplicate, delete, and what are the IDE sections, and Selenium commands, also called as Selenium commands. Selenium commands and also called as what? Selenium commands. I hope you understood guys up to here. Fine, everyone. I want to ask questions, guys. I want to ask questions. Question number one. If I learn only IDE, is it possible to test enter the project? By learning only IDE, is it possible to test enter the project? No, because only smoke testing. So if you want to perform enter, better to go with WebDriver. Next question. Next question. Recording and playback test cases now. So is it possible to converting into other languages? If it is possible, what languages we can convert? So converting into which language? If it is possible, converting into which language? Good. Java, Python, C Sharp, and Ruby. Ruby and Selenium, guys. Mostly under the Selenium 5 commands are there. What are the, I mean, under the Selenium IDE during recording, mostly 5 commands are there. What are the names of 5 commands? 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 Yes. Open, type, click, click and wait, select, and type. I hope you understood, guys, up to here. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Remaining, we can continue tomorrow, but one small information from tomorrow onwards. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to change the link. Who are already done registration, only those students will get the link, or else you can contact to management. How you receive the link? With that, please contact to management. They will help you recording that. Understand my point? But once the link is got changed, who registered, only those students will have the access. And every day class exactly 8 o'clock we can start. And every day you can get the notes and as well as recordings. If you have doubts and questions, you can ask me now. I'll clarify that. If you have any doubts and questions, you can ask me now. I'll clarify that. Pujita, I close it, my IDE. I'll show you tomorrow. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Remaining tomorrow we can continue. Thank you. Bye-bye. Anu, I mean, in Mercury Travels, 1 or 2 times if you register with same username, it will show like that. Then better to use a different username in the next time. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Have a nice day to all. See you tomorrow with new link. Don't miss the class. Automation is very, very important to get the job. Don't miss that. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a nice day to all.